looks like this. 2x, x plus 2, and 2x plus 5. Okay. All right, using the segments of tangents and secants, you're going to square the tangent. So we've got 2x squared, which is going to give us 4x squared. Be careful about that one. Is equal to x plus 2 times, adding those two together, x and 2x is 3x, and 2 and 5 is 7. Okay, so let's just work these out. X times 3x is 3x squared. Outer is 7x, inner is 6x. So 6 and 7 is 13x, and it's positive. And then 2 times 7 is 14x. Excuse me, not 14x, just 14. Okay, equals 4x squared. Now when we subtract 3x squared from both sides, we just get x squared. And we have to move everything over because this is going to be a quadratic equation. We're going to have to factor it, and the center term is not going to cancel out. So minus 13x minus 14 equals 0. All right, so you know when you factor it, it's going to look like this, x and x. And because we have a negative right here, it's going to be a plus and a minus. This is really not a very hard one to do, actually. We have to find two numbers that when you multiply them, give you 14, but because one's going to be positive and one's going to be negative, you're going to subtract them to get negative 13. So the only factors of 14 are 1 and 14, and 2 and 7. Okay, well 2 and 7 will not give us the needed distance between 2 and 7. When you subtract them, you get 5. When you subtract 14 and 1, you get 13. So that's just what we need. And because this is negative, we need the high number to be negative. So we're going to put it over here where it's negative. All right, now remember, they're going to equal 0. So you have to figure out what the number would need to be to make one of the factors 0. So over here it'd have to be negative 1, but that's not a distance for a circle. Over here it would have to be 14. So x must equal 14. The answer is 14.